Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a man who wants to boost stamina, increase strength, and feel more energetic every single day, then this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm sharing the top 3 daily exercises every man should be doing, simple, powerful, and proven to increase energy and endurance. So make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more health and fitness videos. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most complete bodyweight exercises you can do. They hit your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once, and they also boost upper body stamina. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps daily. If regular push-ups are too easy, try slow push-ups or diamond push-ups to challenge yourself even more. Exercise 2. Squats. Squats are the king of lower body power. They build your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and help improve balance and stability. Daily squats increase leg stamina, which is essential for sports, running, and daily activities. Start with 20 to 30 bodyweight squats and increase the number as your endurance improves. Exercise 3. Plank. The plank is the ultimate exercise for core strength and long-lasting stamina. It doesn't just train your abs, it trains your entire body to stay stable under pressure. Hold a plank for 30 to 60 seconds and try to add 5 seconds each day to build mental and physical endurance. And that's it, guys, the top 3 exercises every man should do daily to boost stamina and stay strong. Start today, stay consistent, and you'll feel the difference in just a few days. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful fitness content. See you in the next one.